Hi, in this lecture we'll talk about variables. A variable is simply a named container for a value. In JavaScript, we can define a variable using the special keyword var, followed by identifier, a name, let's say box, and we can assign a value to this variable using the equal sign operator followed by the value. Now I declare a variable called box with the value of 10. To call the variable, I just need to pass the name without var. So let's pass box, it returns the value. Because variables are mutable, I can specify a new value to this variable. So let's pass box equals 5. And now box destroy the previous value that was 10 and assign the new value that is 5. Variable names are case sensitive. If I create a new variable called box with a capital B, will be a totally different variable from the previous one. So let's declare box with capital B and pass the value of 9. Now if I call box, it keeps the same value. JavaScript is loosely typed. It means that we can pass any type of data to a variable. You can pass like a number, a string, an object, an array, including another variable. So let's say var, let's clear var color1 equals red and var color2 equals blue. Like I said, we can pass a variable as value to another variable. So let's pass color2 value to color1. To do that, we can say color1 is equal to color2. Now, you may be tempted to think color1 will store color2, but it's not storing the variable, it's storing only the value of color2. So in this case, the value of color2 is blue. So actually, I'm just passing the value blue to color1. See? So if I call color1, it's blue now. And to prove that we are not passing the variable, I would change the value of color2 to black. And now color1 should still be blue. Okay? Let's clear our console. We need to follow a couple rules when we are passing a variable name. For example, we can only define the first character of a variable using a letter, an underscore, or a $sign. So if we try to pass a number as the first character, it's going to fail. Let's try to say var 4 equals 10. It's going to throw an error. Okay. But now, if I try to use var x4 equals 10, it's okay. Let's clear. JavaScript has some reserved keywords and we are not allowed to use them. For example, var is a reserved keyword and we are only allowed to use var when we declare a variable. If we try to pass var as a variable name, it's going to throw an error. For example, var, it's an error. There are a couple other reserved keywords that we will see during the course. But for example, if we try to pass var this or var function, all these words are reserved keywords. When we declare a variable and we don't assign a value, JavaScript will automatically assign the value of undefined. So var char, this is a variable declaration. So char, if I call char, it has the value of undefined. Now, if we initialize our variable, initialize means assign a value to it. Now it will override the value of undefined to the value that we passed to it. So now char has the value of 10.